Good morning, students. Now I am teaching 10th class, first chapter real numbers, exercise 1.1, third problem. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1. Okay, so by using Euclid division lemma, any positive integer, its square is in the form of 3p and 3p plus 1. Okay, so here, okay, what is the Euclid division lemma? Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. A is equal B into Q plus R. So the remainder, what are the conditions of remainder? It is greater than or equal 0 and less than divisor. Okay, so let us take A is any positive integer. Any positive integer. Okay, what they are asking that use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1. 3p means 3 into p. That means the number which is multiples of 3, or we can the number which is multiples of 3 and plus 1. So multiples is nothing but divisible. Okay, so here b is equal to 3. So by using Euclid division lemma, here what are the divisor ma? 3. Okay, so divisible is nothing but multiple. Divisible means it is already divided, the remainder is 0. Okay, so by using Euclid division lemma, so what is the Euclid division lemma? A is equal B into Q plus R. So what are the conditions of remainder? It is greater than or equal to 0 and less than the divisor. Here what are the divisor? 3. Okay, so 0 is less than or equal, remainder less than or equal 3. So the remainder is, what are the values of remainder? It is greater than or equal 0. Okay, that means which is greater than 0 and equal 0 and less than 3. So the values are 0, 1, 2. The values are 0, 1, 2. Okay, so here first case 1. If R is equal to 0, then A is equal 3 into Q plus 0. So 0 is adding to anything, it is the same. That is A is equal 3Q. Okay, so what the question? Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer. That means the square of a positive integer A is in the form of 3p. That means its square is in the form of 3p. Okay, so how we can do that? Square on both sides. So that is A square is equal 3q whole square. Okay, so A square is equal, here 3q whole square. Here which formula we use? AB whole power m. A power m into B power m. That is, we can write as 3 square into q square. That is, A square is equal 3 into 3 q square. So A square is equal 3 into, so it is a q is an integer ma. Okay, so in the place of 3q square we can put as p. Okay, so where p is one positive integer. Okay, so that is the square of A is in the form of 3p. Okay, next case 2. If R is equal to 1, then A is equal 3 into Q plus 1. Okay, so that is A is equal 3Q plus 1. So its square is also in the form of 3p plus 1. So that means we can do that here, square on both sides. SOBS and M, square on both sides. Okay, that is A square is equal 3q plus 1 whole square. So here A square is equal 3q plus 1 whole square. It is in the form of by using algebraic identities expression a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square is equal 3q plus 1 whole square. So here we can use the formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is the what? 3q, b is the what? 1. So that is a square is equal 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q plus 1 plus 1 square. Okay, so that is a square is equal, here we can use the formula ab whole power m, a power m into b power m, 3 square is equal to q square plus 2 into 3q, 1 is multiplied anything you get the same, 1 square is how much more? 1. So that is a square is equal 3 square means 3 into 3 q square plus 2 into 3 into q plus 1. So in this two what the common? 3, 3. And also take that q. So that is a square is equal 3q is taking outside. What is the remaining? 3q plus 2 plus 1. So here q is a one integer. In the place of q of 3q plus 1 you can put as p. P is one positive integer. Okay. So p is equal to q of 3q plus 2. So that is a square is equal 3p plus 1. So the square of one positive integer in the form of 3p plus 1. Fourth one, use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So show that the cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Same. So let us take A is any positive integer. So the positive integer its cube is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. That means here what are the divisor? 9. So b is equal 9. So by using Euclid division lemma. So here what is the Euclid division lemma? A is equal e into q plus r. So dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. What are the conditions of remainder? It is greater than or equal 0 and less than divisor. So okay. So here what is the b value now? 9. The divisor is 9. You can write as 9 in the q plus r. So the values of remainder is what now? Greater than or equal 0 and less than 9. That means the values of remainder is less than 9 and 0, 0 greater than. So the values of remainder is equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now take that case 1. A remainder is equal to 0. So then A is equal to 9q plus 0. 0 is adding to anything with the same. A is equal to 9q. So here what they are asking that use Euclid division lemma. Okay. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer. That means A is a positive integer. Its cube is also in the form of 9m. So now we can do that cube on both sides. So A cube is equal to 9q whole cube. 9q whole cube. So here it is the form of AB whole power m is equal to A power m into B power m. So here A cube is equal to 9 cube into q cube. So A cube is equal to 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9 into q cube. So in the place of q is a positive integer. So in the place of 9 into 9 into q cube, you can take as m. M is a one positive integer. When the product we get the one integer, positive integer. So in the place of positive integer, you can put as m, 9m. So the cube of positive integer in the form of 9m. Okay, why we can put the m means here we don't know that the q is a positive integer. So the positive integer is multiplied with constant, we can get as one positive integer. So what is the positive integer? M. So yeah, m is equal 9 square into cube. If remainder is equal to, next case 2. If remainder is equal to 1, then a is equal to 9 into cube plus 1. Okay, here also same its cube is in the form of 9m plus 1. So cube on both sides. Okay, that is a cube is equal 9q plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube formula is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, or a cube plus b cube. So in these two, what are common? 3ab. Here a is 2 times, b is 2 times multiple. So you can take as 3ab is taking outside. What remaining? A plus b. Okay. So what another formula for a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Okay. So here apply this formula here. That is a cube is equal. Here a is the what? 9 cube. B is the what? 1. So 9 cube whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3a become in the place of a we can take as 9 cube. 9 cube into 1 of 9 cube plus 1. Okay. So here 9 cube whole cube means here we can use the formula ab whole power m, a power m into b power m, 9 cube into q cube plus 1 plus 3 into 9 cube. 1 is multiplied with anything, we get the same of 9 cube plus 1. Okay, so here 9 cube means 9 into 9 into 9 into q cube plus 3 into 9 cube of 9 cube plus 1 plus 1. So in this it is a one term, it is one term. In this two term what the common? 9 cube. Okay, we take the outside. 9 cube is taking outside. What the remaining now? 9 square q square plus 3 of 9 cube plus 1 plus 1. So q is a one positive integer. The positive integer is simplify this total. We can get as one positive integer. So in the positive integer we can take as m. So a cube is equal 9m plus 1. Okay. So if case 2 r is equal, remainder is equal to 1. Its cube is in the form of 9m plus 1. Next case 3, if r is equal to, then the positive integer is in the form of 9 into cube plus 2. So what asking? It's cubic in the form of 9m plus 8. So cube on both sides. A cube is equal 9 cube plus 2 whole cube. Here also apply the same formula, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula is what ma? A cube plus 3ab of a plus b plus b cube. This formula you can apply here. Then you can get as 9 cube whole cube plus 3 into 9 cube into 2 of 9 cube plus 2 plus 2 cube. Okay, 9 cube whole cube means ab whole power m, a power m into b power m. 9 cube plus 2 cube is how much ma? 8. Now in this two what are the common ma? In this two term 9 cube. So 9 cube is taking outside. What remaining? 9 square q square plus 3 into 2 of 9 cube plus 2 plus 8. Okay. Here q is a positive integer. The positive integer is simplified with the one positive integer. So in the place of this, here we can take as one positive integer, that is m. 9m plus 8. So therefore, the cube of a positive integer is in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Why can take as m? Because q is a one positive integer. The positive integer is simplified. You can get as one positive integer. We don't know that what is the positive integer. So in the place of we can take as m. Okay.